Chicken piccata is one of those dishes that sounds super fancy but is actually so easy to make. My channel, Arubakes, is all about inspiring you to try your hand at making amazing weeknight dinners that you can have prepped, cooked, and ready fast. And most importantly, use up one, maybe two pots. This chicken piccata is so succulent and juicy, and it pairs perfectly with some pasta or even a salad and some garlic bread. Season both sides of your chicken breast generously with salt and pepper and pop it in between some cling film and pound it with a mallet or rolling pin until it's flat and even and about half a centimeter in thickness. This recipe is so easy that this was pretty much the hardest part. Put some flour in a flat dish and lay the chicken on both sides so that it's well coated in the flour. Heat up some olive oil and butter and make sure your pan is well coated in the oil. Shake off any excess flour and pop the chicken onto the pan and let it fry for about 3 minutes on each side until it's golden in color. While your chicken is cooking, finely chop up some parsley and slice up half a lemon and set this aside. Once the chicken is golden on both sides, take it off the pan and set this aside. Add your minced garlic to the hot pan and give it a quick stir. Then add your chicken stock and stir. This will deglaze the pan and bring in all those crunchy bits and all the flavor left from frying the chicken into your sauce. Add the zest and juice of a lemon and some capers. Put the chicken back into the simmering sauce, add a knob of butter and stir this in to emulsify your sauce. Spoon the sauce over the chicken and to finish, add a few slices of lemon and top with the chopped parsley. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious dinner ideas like this chicken piccata that's not only a perfect weeknight dinner but also doubles as a crowd pleaser for a dinner party. Thanks for watching. Bye.